So now let's look at getting the folder section. If we want to get the folder section, so we're just going to do get cubic folders section. I'm just going to copy this, save some time. Copy. See folders. This one here, so we don't need it anymore. Then here, we need keep the folders. Folders and then folders two. Folders. Then in cubic folders, it expects the cubic ID and the cubic section. So the arguments are the same. So we're just going to use these ones we used previously. Let's start with the image side. Image, then let's call it cubic section folders. Copy. Pretty much most of what we need. Let's run our app. Let's see. So this is pretty much what's in the folder section. So this pretty much, those are our three folders. Even if you compare with the web interface, we've got three folders: party, birthday, and test. So these are three folders: party, birthday, and test. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is getting a specific folder in the cubic. So let's just comment this one out. They don't run. Specific folder in cubic section. Const cubic section folder equals sync. Let's copy. Then const folder. Create cubic folder dot get folder. So what are our arguments? Put the wrong one. Get folders. We need get folder, the cubic folder. So what are arguments? So we need cubic ID, we need cubic section, and we need the folder name. So these are some of the arguments we need. And on our folders, we need this one, test. Folders we need test. Then let's call our function. Let's see. Can we get folder? into canvas. Then let's run our function. Let's see what comes up. Oh, we will return our function. Hold down the push. Folder. Okay. So we get an object with a lot of keys, but the key we most importantly need is this folder here. So let's just destructure it. Let's just destructure it. And let's run again. It's clear. Let's run again. Yeah, so if you compare it with the web interface, the test folder, see that inside the test folder we've got 4 images. So just like here we've got 4 images. So let's just narrow down into our image contents. So let's return the contents and the image is inside. Let's clean it up. So these are the 4 images that are inside. These are the 4 images that are inside. These are our 4 images inside. And upload the links. So that's what the getCubic folder method gets you. It gets the specific folder in the cubic. We can even change the cubic folder name. Let's just go and check what other cubic do we have, what other folder do we have there. With party, we can use party. So let's check with party. Check with party. Let's clear our console. Let's run again. See, it's same. Let's clear. Run it again. So it gives us all the images that are inside the party folder. So that's the get folder method. And the next one is create folder. So now we need to use the method to create folder inside the application. So let's just comment this one out. Let's go cubic folder section. Section create folder. Section. Folder. Folder properly equals async. Package. Just put in the since we're error propagating to error, then const create, then spell create folder equals wait cubic dot create folder. What argument? Okay, so create folder expects an object. So that's where we're gonna use that that object value that we needed. So we're gonna use that object value that we needed. So we're just going to copy an object from somewhere, then we'll use it here. So this is the kind of object that the argument expects, right? It expects an object with a cubic name, with a cubic ID, with a section name, and with the folder name that we want to create. So we're just going to give it create object, create folder object, and then we'll return whatever that comes back. Then create folder. We're just going to run it, see what comes back. Clear cancel, then run our function. Let's run the function, let's see. So it returns an object with the status, with the message, and with the details of the new folder. So a new folder has been created, it's empty, doesn't have images, and the folder ID and the folder name. Let's just check with our web interface and see. Let's refresh it. Yeah, now we have 4 folders, and this is the folder that has been created. And you can see the folder is empty. So that's how you create folder with the create folder method. Let's delete our folder that we've just created with the delete folder method. Let's copy. So delete. Let's just copy this one and modify it to save us some time. Instead of create, we're going to do delete. Delete folder. We're just going to remove this one here and use this delete folder method. The delete folder method also expects an object. It also expects an object, but most importantly within this object it expects also the file ID. So we're just going to copy this file ID and update this from this one here. And then we're just going to run our function and see what happens. Delete folder. Just going to borrow this here. We're going to run our function. Let's see what comes back. Invalid data object. We didn't put an argument here. Didn't put an argument in the data object, so we need to put an argument delete folder objects. So when the folder is deleted, it returns an object with the status and the message. The message is the folder destination has been deleted from the cubic. So let's check, let's just confirm with the web interface if our folder is out. Yeah, our folder is deleted. So that's the delete folder method. Now let's look at uploading. Let's look at uploading into a single folder. Let's look at uploading into a single folder. Let's just comment this one and then start a function. Upload